performance, everyone. Is that all we have? Is that all the love we have? Come on, you can do better than that. What a way to launch Aldo's festive collection by perfectly embodying the try everything aura, right? So everyone, please put your hands together once again for the fresh new faces of Aldo India, the star of Archie's and Jigra. We've got Vedang Rana in the house. And the expression queen, the Ui Amma girl, Rasha Thadani. So glad to have both of you here. I just want you to tell us, how does it feel to be finally reaching this moment?
Well, I am so excited to be partnering with Aldo, and I think this brand has been a part of generations of all of our families, and I think the pieces are absolutely iconic, and the Try Everything campaign is going to be one to definitely remember, and I'm so excited.
Fantastic. What about you, Vedang?
Yeah, I mean, it's awesome to be part of a brand like Aldo. I think, it's stuff that I've worn, my family has worn, and we love the brand, we love all their products. And to be part of this campaign, the Try Everything campaign, is super special. I really love the campaign, and I got to do it with you. It's an honor to be part.
And I know that you have poured everything into it, right? So all of us here, we really can't wait to see how all of it came to life. So, shall we roll the tape?
Yes.
Yes?
Yeah.
Let's roll. Also, that would have happened, into creating it. What was it like working on Try Everything?
I think it was a really fun campaign. Ad shoots get a bit hectic, but I think I had a good time shooting with Rasha. We've shot some stuff before, and it's a fun time shooting with her. And there was some dancing involved. So I guess I enjoy doing that.
Fantastic. What about you, Rasha?
Definitely, I fully agree with Vedang, and I think that this brand has been so amazing to work with already, and we've only shot one campaign, and hopefully many more to come.
One look at that film that we just saw, and you can actually tell that everyone on that set was having the time of their lives. But now that we've seen the madness that went into creating the magic, what goes on behind the scenes, I'm really dying to know, how did it all turn out eventually? So what do you say? You guys ready to see how Try Everything has turned out? Yes! Rasha, Vedang, you ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
Yeah? I'm looking for your behind here. All right, let's hit it. There's staying in the game, and then there's owning it. Rasha and Vedang, many congratulations. Guys, please put your hands together. I know you're occupied with your phones, but you can make some noise. So did you have a blast doing Try Everything? Yes, no, how did it go? How are you feeling right now?
I had a blast. I think it was a really fun shoot. Sometimes they get hectic, but this one was genuinely enjoyable. I think we were just having a blast, chatting away, and the campaign is it's such a nice campaign.
Yeah.
It was fun to shoot this, and I really enjoyed it.
And I absolutely love how they've mixed tradition with trend, like giving it this beautiful twist. What about the shoes? How many shoes did you get to try on set?
I mean, I kind of took everything.
You took everything?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I did, because they were absolutely stunning. And I mean, look at them. Look at them. That's so cute. Yeah, but yeah, I actually am taking this as well, and they personalize it for me with a little ballet dancer thing, which is so
I
neat.
didn't get anything personalized.
But then you must possibly have like a favorite, right?
I think these shoes that I'm wearing are really cool. I think they make like really good quality sneakers.
Yes.
Something I'd wear like every day, and they're genuinely just really comfy and really good.
Yeah.
But I tried a lot of their stuff on the shoot day. I was like, no, not this, this one. So I tried basically everything, and I've stolen.
But you didn't. Oh. So she took and he stole.
Yeah.
But I think that means the same thing, right? But I love the energy that you've come with today, and there's still so much to cover. There's not enough time, so we're going to kick things off with a rapid fire round. Are you ready?
We're ready.
Yes,
I guess.
rapid, okay?
Okay.
So here's how we're going to do it. I'm going to ask one question, and Rasha, you can go first.
Okay.
And Vedang, you're going to keep things moving after Rasha, okay? All right, everyone, I love a good rapid fire, so let's go. If your shoes could say one thing about you, what would they say, Rasha?
Comfort.
Oh, same question for me?
Yes.
Comfort. Comfort.
I took his word.
Comfort. When it comes to style, are you more classic or are you more trendy?
Both. Can be both.
I think I'm more classic. At least the way I dress up usually is a bit more like vintage and classic.
Totally shows today. What's the one fashion rule that you would love to break?
I would love to break. Following the dress code.
Fashion rule I like to break. I think I do it pretty often. I wear like socks and then slides on top. Some people think it's obnoxious.
No, I do that.
Yeah, like I find it.
Are you
I
calling
think
me obnoxious?
No, I think
calling
it's,
myself also obnoxious.
it's fun to do obnoxious things,
Exactly,
no?
yeah. So that's
I
the
mean,
rule
there's
I
a
like
time
to
for
break.
everything. Why not? Okay,
Yeah.
tell me, what's your favorite fashion decade?
90s. Is that even a question?
90s.
90s.
Yeah, I know, right? What about
60s.
you? The
60s for me, yeah.
The
I think-
60s vibe.
Yeah, I just love that vintage like.
You're a retro
well-tailored-
man.
Yeah, I'm a bit of a retro man.
Retro man.
Old
Okay,
soul.
what's the one thing that everyone here should have in their closet, non-negotiable? Guys, I hope you're listening and
Aldo
taking
shoes.
notes.
And bags.
Brownie points.
Hello, bags.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, bags, not one, many of them. What's that one Bollywood fashion moment that lives rent-free in your head?
Okay, I know my answer. Do you want to go
Answer,
first?
go first.
From Student of the Year, when it was like, hey, Shania, Shania, and she enters, it's iconic.
Wow,
Yeah.
you know, you did it so well. You're a fan of that moment, I can tell.
100, I think every girl and woman of everyone is. Thank you.
So
Thank
everyone
you.
just had a hey Shania moment.
Yeah, I mean, the charisma is just,
Beautiful.
yeah.
Yeah, that was an iconic one. That's
Yeah.
that
What about
song,
you,
right?
Vedant?
And then all the bags and all the brands and.
Yes.
For me, I'm trying to think of like a recent like moment. And what comes to mind suddenly is Diljit and Alia at the Met Gala. I think they really killed it. They
I think
really
that was
killed
cool.
it. Yeah.
Now, I'm really looking forward to this answer. If there was one celebrity whose closet you would want to raid, like right now, who would that be?
I already rated my mom, so other than my mom, I think Tamanna.
Good choice, I must say. Vedant, what about you?
I'll go international.
Okay,
to avoid
why
all
not?
controversy. I think Austin Butler. I really like his style. I like the way he dresses.
Oh, yes, good choice. Okay, now, if magic wasn't a factor, who would win in a card game according to you? Rasha or Vedant?
Sorry?
If magic wasn't a factor, who would win in a card game?
100% me. Not even a question. Not even
Didn't
a question.
even let Rasha go
Yeah,
first.
no, that's-
Rasha, what do you have to say to that?
I'm not responding because I know
She
I'll
knows.
win. No, because I know I'll win.
But she's a magician, no? She doesn't
Yeah.
need to know a card
You'll
game.
win.
I
If I
got
let you win.
1 second. Oh, whoa, what? I got the cards out of my bag. Did you even see that?
But I was doing all the tricks, no?
You just did one trick where it went in my shoe and I ended up beating you anyways.
Yeah, I'll give it to her.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, I think we're live, but but yeah, what
Yeah,
are
are
the
we
bags for? What are the bags for? They're for tricks and they're for learning the game. But that was fantastic, right? You know what? If I had a coffee hamper right now, I wouldn't know
I'd
who to
win.
give it.
I'd win. Please,
to
come
you.
on. Who are you lying to? Girls? Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, listen.
Thank you, whoever that was.
Yeah, I mean, I'm on your side too, and I'd say this is kind of a
Well, he said.
right? Right now I'm on his side, no? I'm on his side. Yeah, I'm on his side. No, but honestly, I think this is a bit of a tie, and I'm going to need some help with untying this. So, ladies and gentlemen, my dear friends, let's put our hands together because the Try Everything squad is going to be here, and they are going to show us how it's done. Everybody, can you please make some noise for the Try Everything squad showing us what we call a hook step. Can we hear it for them once again, please? And I want to remind you that you've seen it here first, all right? This is how we set the stage everywhere we go. Let's have a look at... I know one thing for sure, that social is going to explode. So Vedant and Rasha, was it fun learning that hook step and shooting it?
Yeah, I was under some pressure because we have
Okay.
a really fabulous dancer who I had to dance with.
1
Yes.
second. You're not bad yourself. It's okay. No, he
That's
is
just
really good.
copy.
He is really good. He's a very, very good dancer and thank you for the compliment.
Thank you. I was just trying to keep up, but I really enjoyed the steps. I think the choreography was super. It was a lot of fun doing it. and I actually do love dancing. I don't get many opportunities, but this was a fun one.
But truly tell
He's
me,
actually a really good dancer.
he is right. So
He
who do you
is a
think
really good
nailed the
dancer.
steps better, like on set?
I'll give it to her.
No, I think him. I
Wow,
think him.
see? I mean, a couple of minutes ago they were fighting that one's better than the other. Now they're like, no, him. This is how it works, you know. I love it. Vedant and Rasha, I know that I speak on everyone's behalf of here when I say that I couldn't be more excited to see this campaign be splashed all over online. And now, ladies and gentlemen, that we've met Aldo's fresh new faces, I'm very delighted to invite on stage the brilliant mind behind the campaign. And you're going to help me welcome him with a very warm round of applause. Chief Executive Officer, Apparel Group India, Mr. Abhishek Bajpai.
No, I think we are very excited as we get into the festive season. I think it's a time of happiness. It's a time of meeting new people, trying everything that you get. So I wish everybody good wishes for the festive season and look forward to having you guys here.
Thank you so much, Mr. Bajpai, for being here. And my dear friends, can we have one more thunderous round of applause and show a lot of love to the fresh faces of Aldo, Rasha and Vedant. Thank you so much for being here and making this so much more meaningful. We've come to the end of the launch. Before you move on to the amazing party ahead, I'd like to say a big thank you to Team Aldo as well for being here tonight and for having us here tonight. Team Aldo, you're amazing. Rasha and Vedant, of course, thank you very much. Thank you. Our wonderful people, thank you so much for being here, for bringing your energy and your enthusiasm. Feel free to make the most of this evening, mix, mingle, make memories. Don't forget to take a closer look at the fall-winter collection. Have a phenomenal evening, everyone. I'm Zina Fernandez signing off. Take care. Bye-bye.